Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, in previous class of geography, we discussed about the major divisions of physical divisions of India as well as the origin of the Himalayas and the longitudinal divisions of the Himalayas. Today we will discuss about the regional divisions of the Himalayas. Dear students, the division of the Himalayas on the basis of regions from west to east we will today discuss. Regional divisions of the Himalayas have been demarcated by the river valleys. It means by the river valleys, the Himalayan regions have been divided from west to east. The part of the Himalayas lying between the Indus and the Satluj rivers is known traditionally as Punjab Himalayas, but it is originally known as the Kashmir and the Himachal Himalayas. It means the western part of the Himalayas lie between the Indus and the Satluj rivers valley. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. It means the part of the Himalayas lying between the Satluj river and Kali river is known as Kumaon Himalayas. About Kumaon region, we know that till now that region has honesty is visible. An interesting story about this region is that once upon a time a traveler visited this region. His money purse fell down somewhere. He didn't know. When a villager got it, carried to the head of the village and submitted it. He had. Then the headman of that village called to that visitors and returned their money purse. While in our locality, when we get something from the roads or falling on the roads, then we try to not say something to our own family members also. That's why, dear students, we would like to say you that this region is a center of the honesty in our country, that is known as Kumaon region. The part of Himalayas lying between Kali and Tista rivers is known as Nepal Himalayas. The part of the Himalayas lying between Kali and Tista river is known as Nepal Himalayas. The part of Himalayas lying between Tista and Dhiang river or Dhiang Gorge is known as Assam Himalayas. Where is Assam Himalayas? So Assam Himalayas lie between Tista and Dhiang Gorge. Okay? Now, the river Brahmaputra marks the eastern boundary of the Himalayas. It means Brahmaputra river is marked as the eastern boundary of the Himalayas. Beyond the Dhiang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south. From Dhiang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to the south. This part or this bending part of the Himalayas is known as the Purvanchal or the eastern hills and mountains. The bending part of the Himalayas to the south from the Dhiang Gorge is known as Purvanchal. This part of Himalayas is mainly composed of strong sandstones. It means it is made up of strong sandstones, which is then the part of Purvanchal part of the Himalayas. It is covered with dense forests and mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. This part of the Himalayas comprises the Patkai Hills or the Purvanchal comprises